2016 Honda Civic EXL. It's a remote start. Bright red paint, aluminum alloy wheels with Nexon tires, tinted windows, trunk lip spoiler. Great gas saver. Fun to drive. It's well-kept black leather interior. Carpeted floorboards throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver seat adjustments. Plenty of little storage compartments. These all slide. Charge port. Large touchscreen. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Auto headlights. Fog lights. Just over 168,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come out and see us.